As a mayor, it was a great honour and privilege to propose last night at the council meeting that the RAF Wales is allowed the freedom of the borough. It is appropriate that we award such an honour in 2018 to the Royal Air Force as it does celebrate its centenary. There's a lot going on in the town centre to celebrate RAF 100 over the next few days. I'm sure you will agree that the RAF Floral Garden, with its newly installed commemorative plaques, looks very impressive and will be a welcome addition to this popular part of the town centre. On behalf of the council, I offer my warmest congratulations to the RAF Wales on being awarded the freedom of the county borough, and I'm very pleased that we have a permanent tribute in the town to the RAF here in Wrecsam.
And it was a great honour for us yesterday to be able to receive the freedom of the county borough of Wrecsam. As the Mayor explained, that is a very special privilege, and the RAF does feel very grateful for that honour, particularly as it comes in the RAF's centenary year. With this floral garden, we're really wanting to leave a permanent location within Wrecsam, which recognises really the people that served in RAF Wrecsam, particularly the people that from the borough of Wrecsam that have actually served in the RAF over the 100 years of the service so far.